Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery bracket. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the system board. Carefully lift up on the right edge of the solid-state drive to separate it from the thermal pad and allow it to raise to the spring tension position. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key and the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the system board. Press the solid-state drive down onto the thermal pad and replace the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures it to the system board. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.